Hey, what's up? This is Mehdi with the Road CDL. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys doing well. So yes guys, as you guys can see somewhere here that how to regen. So in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to regen your tracks. So make sure you guys watch the video to the end. So before we can start regen, so I want you guys to subscribe the channel and like this video. So let's go together. Subscribe the channel because I know you guys are watching and not
subscribe the channel. That's not good, my friend. So yeah, let's go do that. I'm gonna wait here for you guys.
Appreciate that. I hope you guys did that. So yes guys, I woke up this morning and I see that my tracks, it just turned off by itself, so it means something is wrong with the track. Something, if not mechanical, but something is wrong. The tracks turned off by itself. So yeah, so when I check the dashboard, there is a warning message. It says engine protection performing shutdown. So the engine light is on, the DPF light is on, so it means that my tracks need a regen. So I'm gonna show you guys how to manually regen your tracks. So yes guys, like I said, every track is different. You know, the Volvo, the Freightliner, there's all, like, before I used to drive a Volvo, it was different. So this is my 2020 Freightliner, so this is different. So another thing that I want to mention, you guys can find the sign, some some helps right here on the Volvo tracks or the Freightliners on the old models. So this is 2020. I don't have that one here. So yes guys, like you guys can see that the dashboards, so the DPF lights still flashing, so it's not something you need to be worried about it, but you have to know it. So this video is mostly for new drivers that they don't have any idea about about tracks and dashboard lights, and I know the experienced driver, they can handle almost everything by themselves. If you face sometimes to a problem like this, it's not a big deal. You don't need to call the mechanic, or you don't need to be very worried about it. As you guys can see it, the PDF lights is still flashing. So yes, what is PDF? It's stand for diesel particulate filter, guys. I know the experienced driver, they know it, but this is for new drivers. So I want from experienced truck drivers to share their knowledge, their experience on the comment section down below. So yes, PDF is a diesel particulate filter, guys. When you burn the diesel, so the filter get clogged. When it get clogged, so that light is flashing. So when you see that light's flashing, you have to find a surface area. So you need to stop your track. You can find parking, and make sure no one is around you, and don't do that on the pump station as well, guys, because it's not safe. So if the DPF light is flashing, it means your track needed a regenerate. So do it, because if you don't do that, that's maybe a possible threat for your engine. So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys step and process and a complete regenerate. So make sure you guys watch the video to the end, and and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, appreciate you guys. So let's do this. As you guys can see, my track is off, so I'm gonna turn it on. So yes guys, make sure if when you do the regen, make sure your parking brake and trailer brake is set it so, and it's on a neutral position. So let's go do this. Yes. Its suit level is good. You can see it right there. You can press OK. It said to start regeneration, press OK. So it takes about like 10 to 20 minutes, or sometimes maybe more than that. So you have to leave it like that. Don't press the brakes, guys. Don't press the brake. Just leave it like that. So as you guys can see, it's another signs just comes on. So that's the hot exhaust. Like I mentioned before, guys, that's the hot exhaust that can cause a fire, guys. So for that reason, I told you guys to not parking on the pump station or near someone. Make sure find like surface area, like a good area for your regen. And it takes 10-15 minutes. So that's it, guys, that's it. And I hope you guys learn from this video. yes guys, like you guys are see that all the lights are disappeared and just turn it off. So yes, like I mentioned, don't hit the brakes bundle, because if you hit the brakes you're gonna cancel the regen. So it takes like 25 minutes. I hope you guys learning from this video, so make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and like the video and share with your truck driver friends. And I see you guys on the next video. Safe drive, drive responsible.